Someone PM me this question. Safe po ba't itong bilhin? Free po yung transfer title since yung binili yung property sa original owner, tax declaration lang siya. Remember, tax declaration is not a proof of ownership. Dapat po makita nyo mismo yung TCT or yung titulo. For condominium, it should be CCT. So, 3 basic requirements na kailangan mo tandaan when you are buying directly sa mga owner. First, the copy of the titulo, TCT or CCT for condominiums. 2 valid IDs ng owner. If you're not talking directly to the owner, make sure you're talking to a licensed professional. Then third, copy ng amilyar or tinatawag natin na real estate property tax. Kasi pag hindi updated yung pagbabayad niyan, ikaw, as a buyer, yung required mag-update niyan. So, willing ka bang bayaran in case na may mga penalties or delay siya from the original owner. So, that's it. Ito pala, additional pala. To make sure na legit yung pinapakita sa yung TCT or yung titulo, umorder ka ng certified copies sa www.lra.gov.ph. Yun lang. Message me if you have questions.